let her stay. Kasi yung song is really about her.
I feel like the track record din. Top safe.
Yeah. Of course. Go get to your day, but it is what it is.
Girl, I saved my fucking ass. I fear.
Feeling ko, if dun ako, tapos pangit yung mga runways ko, I would borrow stuff.
I mean, pwede naman.
Bilhin ko na lang yun na. Bayaran nila ko ito paglabas.
I know a girl, but I can't speak on that matter. Kasi wala namang looks.
Okay. Totoo. I mean, I would... Gagawin ko din yun.
You have to be, you know.
I'll just pay you kapag nakuha ko na yung paycheck. Diba? Why not?
Pwede lang naman kasi masayang yung out.
She can speak on that matter kasi nag-reach. I mean,
Kakamiss yung season
we doing that.
Is season 3 really that good ba? I feel like hindi ko siya maramdam because I'm there. Is it good? I don't know. I haven't really watched the full episodes.
Girl.
Ito si Yuki. Sheriff.
Two girls.
I'm still rewatching season 2.
Actually, I have to rewatch season 3 kasi after ni Yudi ma-eliminate, hindi ako nanood.
Ang dami nga nag-stop. Everybody was chatting me. I stopped watching because wala ka na.
I feel like
just
ang
watched
mga
because of you.
ang bakalod nun, like really watched it lang because of you. Then after
Sucks to be
that,
them.
kasi parang syempre you know someone, tapos parang mawawala ka ng gana kapag wala ka ng sinusuportahan. Gets ba?
I mean, you can always support the bitch outside, you know?
Diba?
Couple of
Couple of faggots. We're just a couple of faggots.
out in the streets. Gusto ko mag-Disney. Everybody, let's go to Disney. Tapos bigyan niyo ako ng 10 million each. Para makapag-drag race. Guys, it's not that cheap to
Hello,
drag
your
race.
meta verification is no longer active.
Ate, 3 article lang talaga yan.
My 50,000 is over.
Verified ka ba sa Facebook? Ang hirap magpa-verify sa Facebook. I don't know why.
Thank you, Christoph.
Cruella. May bago bang Cruella?
Cruella. May bagong movie?
Parang in the talks pa lang si Gaga.
Fan meet. Huy, nag-fan meet na nung nakaraan.
Kaya next fan meet?
Ay, feeling ko dito yun siya.
Who is this diva? Probably June
Yeah, June.
or May. Kasi May, I'm working with a lot of stuff.
Ba yun? Ano daw? Paano to?
Kailangan mo 10 more minutes.
Ano yun?
Ewan sa TikTok. Ang dami nilang kineso. Baya sa season 4. Sino ba yung mga girlies?
Wala na siya.
Well, hindi ko alam yung full lineup. Pero I've seen the girls post. So, ang obvious kung sino. So,
When ka ulit mag-walk out? Pili ko mag-walk out ko ngayon at.
ngayon.
Alay sila 500 MB, so we're just gonna enjoy na lang natin yung aking 500 MB.
Bakit puro drag race?
Stop asking. Pero di nagtututbrush. I mean, deserve. Charing. Kapag ka kasi hindi nagtututbrush, that's weird.
Ay, ito pala yung pasabi.
Kasi parang watch.
Parang ako 5 seconds in, nababa na agad ako. Babalik ng Drag Race. I need you guys to post online Beauty for season whatever. Kasi people really check online who they like.
Yeah, ang pulso ng tao talaga
Yeah.
is
I feel
very
like-
important.
Yeah, I feel like mostly I got in season 3 because everybody wanted me since season 1. But I wasn't cooked enough for season 1.
Yeah, sure. Favorite ng teacher ko. Saan mo sa akin sa Instagram to? I-rate ko yan. Charit. Hidayat. Charit. What do you look for in a woman? Pussy. Charit. Ayun yun talaga, Doy.
What do you mean? What do I look for in a woman?
We're not looking for a woman.
In what way? In a friend way? In a...
Ay, pasabog ate. Ang galing mo talaga. I'm so bright. I'm so bright like a diamond.
Sino to? Mariela, my love, happy birthday. I
Ay,
hope
bawal
to see you
mag-date,
soon.
no?
Guard, should've.
Hindi bawal mag-date sa live kasi you're gonna be mababa. Ay, ma-restrict. Mawawala yung mga 18 years old mo na viewers.
Wag mo wala yung baggage mo. Sabihan mo yung should've. Sabihan mo yung lecheng anis. UD, it's ano daw? All-star.
Any thoughts, sabi mo?
I want Arizona to win All-Stars.
Yeah.
For All-Stars. I may even... What new skill?
Sino maganda All-Stars 2? Slation Royale 2. Sino kayo maganda? Ako, I wanna see UD. I wanna see... Sino pa ba? Wala na eh. Kasi sa first season 1, parang wala na akong gusto makita. Season 2, Bernie, Miss Jade. Feeling ko hindi naman si Miss Jade kasi...
Gusto ko makasama si
Jade. Wala na
Jade
akong gusto
though.
makita for season 2.
Season... Hanabeshi.
Ayan, Hanabeshi.
She's loud and ano.
Hanabeshi is so good. Sino pa? Tita Baby. I wanna see Tita Baby. I wanna see you.
Yeah, oh my gosh. If mag-season, gusto ko kasama si Hanabeshi, si Jade,
Si Jade hindi na siya sali yung feeling.
I mean, she needs a crown, so she needs to join again.
What if
Si
she-
Tita Baby. Parang ano, alam mo yun, the girls I wanted, parang kaano ko lang. Ka-night out. Charot. Kasi parang it's like a long sleepover dun. So parang, si Ver, I wanna be with her.
Slation.
Sino pa ba? Marina, I guess.
Si John. Yeah.
John, I love John.
Sa season 2, sa season 1 wala, sino ba mang
Silhouette.
Si Turing.
I wanna see Silhouette.
Turing had an incredible transformation. And I low-key wanna see her, you know,
Sino
new
ang
silhouette. Hindi ko nakikita kasi yung social media ni Turing. So parang, hindi ko pa nakita yung, you know, curvaceous body niya in drag. Kasi parang she lost a lot of weight.
Yeah.
Diba?
She's been trying to lose weight, I think.
I feel like, I don't know.
Kiana. I always wanted Kiana to be international. Kasi I feel like she's gonna kill everyone.
I feel like she's very international season.
Yeah. Magaling siya mag-English, may class. Hindi niya mapapahiya yung Pilipinas. She's good TV.
Sino pinakamabait sa season?
But it's too early. Sino pinakamabait sa season yun? John?
Ano na lang?
I guess. John, Tita Baby. But I feel like it's John. Kasi siya yung sweetheart ata sa amin.
Ano daw?
Sa mga... Bakit puro drag race na yung comment?
Approximate PT.
I don't anymore. I wanna move to Siargao, low-key. Kasi yung friend ko, may mini rehab siya doon. So, sabi niya magtayo kami ng rehab sa... I just wanna be a business girl, you know?
All this...
Pinamimigay yung giveaways. Oh my God.
giveaways tayo.
Yung Oxycure. Malalaman nila yung secret component sa skincare. Where's my phone? Kung pala yung phone. Ay, hindi ko. Stupid. Abi ko plot na.
Asan daw yung phone niya? It's in front of her.
Ganda naman ng filter na.
Of course. Wala tayong filter, ate. This is natural.
Siargao, aka Mini is
Siargao.
right?
Sino nga yung Siargao, yung bagets sa Siargao?
Aura.
Sa Feeling ko sa kailan ka balik yung UR po? Hindi pa ako magbalik sa UR. Wala namang gagawin sa UR.
Mag-graduate. Bisala mo isang subject na lang to si bakla. I fucking can't do that. Pero wala naman ang bag yung yung at this
I feel
time
like you
and
just
age.
need it for leverage.
Ugh.
Managerial position. Girl, dako pa ko sahod sa managerial position.
Lahat ng mga lecheng may
Weird.
girl, you don't need at this point an economy. Parang you don't need I'm not saying you don't need a degree. I'm just saying parang girl,
You can strive without it. Pero kabudlay ba, if you want to be in sa corporate world, parang you still need it.
I don't think
We're
so.
just lucky na we are in the virtual assistant world.
Actually, kaya din niya kayo. Ay wait, paano kailangan pa rin low-key?
Still, I mean, depende sa niche mo siguro. Kasi yung niche mo, medical kines.
Oh my gosh, I miss.
We should go back. We should do VA again. Kasi parang ang hirap di. Parang walang pera. Baklo. I mean, we have money but freelancing is so hard. Kasi you have to stress about
Where to get the next
yeah, alam mo yun, ay parang, okay, I have money now for my rent for this month. So, the rest, ano gagawin ko sa, rest, sa pera ko ngayon?
I mean, you work once a month, so... And mas malaki pa sahod mo sa, I don't know, sa minimum wage person.
But I don't. I feel like I need more.
Parang
I feel like I need a routine. Alam mo yan, parang, kaso nga lang it's so, you have to do your best every day, which it's so tiring.
I know, I can.
I just wanna be an artist. Girls, don't you just wanna be an artist? Gusto ko na, alam mo te, fantasy namin, maging artist lang. Na parang, alam mo yon na we can pick and choose kung kailan namin gagawin yung best namin.
Kaya nga ako nag-business, diba? That was my creative outlet. Shout out sa fragrance line ko na magre-restock.
Yeah.
Odipota, this May, go. I'm so proud of her. I feel like I outdid myself.
Yeah. It was, sobrang, I'm happy na it was sold out. But I'm not happy na walang restock.
Wait lang.
Kadugay sa restock.
It's not that easy.
We need restock para we have show. Miss UD, may say ka ba sa alleged banter?
Banter? What? Shady what?
Ay, about Marina naman.
I mean, I've already said my thoughts about it.
Kuha ni Mayor sa nagpanaad. Nagpanaad sila, sila Moy.
Yeah.
Sila Moy, nasa panaad sila. Girl, kabudlay, what's your favorite color daw, ate?
Girl, it's red. Hindi ba obvious? Sobrang biased ko sa red. I don't know. She's so striking.
Simulan mo. Dito kasi kami sa Manila so... Ano daw about Briggs? Daw?
Rings?
Who's your Yunnan station if not Briggs? Mine. Sino ba?
Sino nga yung line-up?
Vinyas. I really like Vinyas. May impact talaga lahat ng ginagawa ni Vinyas sa
Yeah, I think Venus.
Sa Drag Race, sa Slation. Plus yung Sara Duterte niya talaga pasabog. As in, like, so smart.
I haven't
Sobrang
watched.
galing. Ang galing. Ayun lang napanood ko. Parang napanood ko lang yung clip. Galing talaga nung pasabog.
You just know a queen na nag-iisip. And Venus is one.
Yeah. Sobrang
Bakit
Guys,
ang dami nagtatanong about kay Angel?
Anong tawag neto? Girls?
Mag season 5 ka daw ate, oh.
I'm scared kasi baka I'm too shady for season 5. Like, ano kasi yun, parang love and light pag Drag Race Philippines. Parang I feel like they're not ready for shady queens.
Girl,
And
everybody wants drama, pero tapos pag may drama, ibabash nila.
Exactly. I think yung ano talaga, girl, I miss season 4, season 5, and season 6. Ayun talaga yung the best era
US.
ng drag. Oh,
Yeah, I know.
the best drag era. Kasi parang pasabog talaga.
I miss unhinged queens. I miss sloppy queens na parang,
Kasi iba yung ano talaga, iba yung...
everyone is scared to join because of,
Yeah, I think
The
it's
fans
really the
mostly.
fans na they can't take the shade.
Pero-
Girl, alam mo te, I'm gonna tell you, mas malala yung shade sa backstage ng mga drag bars. As in, I think sa Rampa medyo chill sila, no? Kasi mga bagets,
oh yeah.
chill sila sa ano. Girl, even sa Bacolod, te, as in, kung may camera lang dun, talagang binash nyo na talaga yung mga queens sa sobrang shady ng mga bakla. Lalo sa Obart, ay, day.
I'm not that kind of girl, so I can't
Pasabog
relate.
sa Obart, as in...
I think everybody knows about Obar.
Kaya, I feel like, if you guys wanna see Drag Race, yung parang, yung reality behind sa drag, yung backstage reality ng drag, I think na you have to take Drag Race as an entertainment and not personal and not attack the queens kasi, diba?
Girl,
If you do, parang
if you're
if you feel
problematic, you're problematic.
Hindi
Hindi
kasi
mo ng bash.
I think if the fans keep bashing the queens, if you filter talaga ng queens yung hindi talaga lalabas yung authentic Bacolod experience.
I miss the 2000 show ng mga cancelable contestants.
Oh, no.
Oh my gosh. Kaya
Sabog
daming
yun.
meme dati eh. Oh my gosh.
Season 5 talaga yung the best.
But yeah, sabi ko, I always say, pag mag-join yung mga babae, you have to rehabilitate your brain na parang hindi ka tanga-tanga doon. And parang you have to like be socially, parang na social media train yung bibig mo somehow. Kasi parang girl, one thing na sinabi sa akin ni Corazon was like, make sure na parang outside you're gonna be loved kasi the real race is outside.
Actually.
So, yeah. But what's weird is people really respect you basing on your
More bashing,
rank.
more money.
Parang, girl,
Ay, oh no, like, yung respect nila is based sa ranking mo.
yeah. Kaya nag-business na lang ako. Like, bitch, I do not like being disrespected. Like, who the
Really?
fuck are
Do you
you?
experience that?
Girl, sometimes.
I mean, that's not.
I feel like
think the producers...
Masyado lang
minsan-
akong ano.
I think konti lang naman yung producers ng show dito.
I am not one to complain kasi masyado akong well tolerated, I guess.
Yeah, I feel like, people love you.
I feel bad for the others.
Parang may makakall na BFF. Hi. Love.
What are you talking about?
Para daw siyang may kakall na BFF sa live
Naka-video
natin.
call na naman tayo and na natin. Kain.
Diba? We have 500, MB guys. So,
Take your time.
so enjoy the moment.
Enjoy the moment.
Lasapin nyo na kasi wala na akong pambook mamaya ng
UD DNA fan meet ulit. Of course, my
Kung
love. I feel like ibang makeup, hindi naman makeup yung ipamimigay ko. Kasi parang, girl, na kompleto na daw nila yung full set of face dahil sa giveaways ko. So parang, what if skincare? Parang pasabog skincare.
Yeah,
no?
actually.
Oh my
Skincare
gosh,
naman.
why did I think about skincare?
And also,
I'll work on that.
I feel like sa UDDNA, they don't ask questions, no? Like, they don't, like, they're not curious about... I feel, nung first, parang they have questions. Nung second,
What do
nung
you
sa
mean?
atin, wala.
About the ano. I mean, what are you gonna ask them? Charot.
I mean...
If nandyan si Lady Gaga, what am I gonna ask her? Girl, wala.
Yeah, I feel like we have, kung...
I'm just gonna look at her,
I
parang
mean-
ganun. Happy na sila magkita kanila, parang ganun.
Yeah, correct naman. Hair care secret.
Mag-live ka din. Girl, nababa na ako, nasisira yung algorithm ko dahil sa kaka-live ko.
Girl, your views are always super worth it.
Ano daw?
Super worth it ng Phoebes. Actually, pasabog no.
Nakapunta ba to siya?
Girl,
Nakapunta ka ba?
si ano to?
June 12.
I don't know. Not sure.
I mean, yeah, it's like may meet and greets kasi parang give back ko siya sa fans. Especially like yung mga paulit-ulit na fans. Like literally there's like 10 people who always go na consistent. So parang there are only like 5 to 8 new people. Parang gano'n.
It's so cold. It's cold outside.
It's December. Oh, saan to pag nakahiga ako sa kama?
Sabog dito,
Opinion.
no? I think we should... Dapat nag-inom na tayo dito. Nag-pregame na tayo dito, at...
Gaga, parang bawal dito sa mall dahil.
Girl, they literally drink here.
Oh, alapeng. Charit. Gusto ko mag-whiskey, guys. I'm not
Anong
sorry.
pekpekan? Philippine for UK versus the world. Who will you suggest? I wanna see...
UK?
UK versus the world. Wala pa, no. I really wish Kiana waited a little bit longer because she would have slayed UK versus the world.
I mean, the
So
more
far, I
the
feel
merrier.
like they're gonna choose season 4. Sino ba? Tita Baby. I feel like Tita Baby is I think Tita Baby is swak sa UK because yung humor ng UK, I feel like UK is very more on the comedy side.
Really? I haven't watched UK.
I mean, they have
Si
slay
Crystal?
queens. They have slay queens, pero parang mas favored yung mga comedy queens. Like, si yung nategi, I forgot her.
Which one?
Yung nataging winner.
Ay, oo. Sino
Diba?
yun?
Comedy queen.
Yung
Tapos
parang red
si
girly
Lawrence
siya.
Cheney. Yung bago. May bago, diba? Actually. Lola and
Vivian.
Tita Baby. Hindi. The Vivian.
I can't. She was amazing.
I think Tita Baby might, ikaw, sino sa...
I love Tita Baby. I feel like she can...
No, para different naman, no? Para iba naman yung dynamic natin. Hindi tayo puro slay queens.
I feel like people can relate to Tita Baby
Arizona.
naman. Arizona...
And Vinyas, no?
No, I want Arizona to win Philippines. Kasi I feel like Arizona is too Filipino.
Yeah. Pero pang masa si si...
I need her to win
Ay, si
All-Stars. I swear to God, yung mananalo sa All-Stars si Arizona. I can't foresee the future, guys. I swear.
Yun naman. Ano daw? Wait. Ano ba ito yung muli dati siya?
Hala, 100
Hello.
MB na lang.
We only have 100 MB.
Oh.
Tapos sa UK need perform, hindi yung mga onda nakaloka. Te! Bakla na, nalo nga si Tia Coffee. Bakla, tigilan mo nga. Charis.
Ano ba sabi niya?
Nang away.
Ano ba sabi niya?
Bakla, I feel like we need dynamics. We have to show different side ng drag sa sa Philippines. Kasi diba,
Sino
para
ba gusto
bang
nila?
representative ako ng Drag Race Philippines.
Ate kong representative.
Ang dami kong strong opinions, diba? This is why hindi pa ako nakapasok ng season 4 kasi mababash ako agad.
I don't think so.
Nagkipag-away sa tao. Ayun.
Kaya sabi ko nga, yung...
Exactly.
I feel like yung ready sa fame is si Kel. But I don't know if she can handle the fucking backstage responsibilities. Kasi, girl, it's too much. It's too much. This bitch
I
can't.
would quit. Alam, we're glowing daw ate. We're glowing kasi maubos na yung data namin.
Yung 100 MB.
Yung 100 MB, guys. Thank you guys so much for joining our live session.
I hope to see you guys soon sa fan meet kasi masaya siya.
Yeah.
Ayoko nga mag-perform. Gusto ko lang makipag-bonding. What if ganyan na lang? Makipag-bonding, dinner with Unipota. Kaya relax.
Actually, kahit nung bonding na parang wala na tayo masyadong time to bond.
June 12? Ano ba meron sa June 12?
Oo nga, no. Feeling ko wala masyadong gigs. Wala masyadong...
It's June, girl. The gates are gonna work.
June
Pero-
12 is Friday, though. Ano meron sa Ba't ang Independence Day. That's why people want it. Hindi na sila alam.
I'm so sorry, my love. I'm so busy with everything.
I'm so sorry. Kasi kami Nickelodeon girl.
June 27, that's like highlight ng Pride. And birthday ko rin.
Wow.
What if sa birthday ko na lang, yung fan meet, true
Yeah,
or false?
actually.
Para happy birthday to me. Para isang
Ay, hello,
celebration.
Mika.
Di lagi ako I don't
True.
even birthday show.
Marina is the tea. She should have won. She should have won UK versus the world. But I feel like, ilan pa lang si Marina? I think,
26.
hindi pa siya. 26
I'm
pa lang
not
si
sure, I'm
Marina.
not sure. Sa
Feeling
Miss
ko wala
Universe
pa
sabi niya
siyang
30 siya.
Ito ba?
I don't know, that's what she said sa video nila ng isang girly
I
pop.
feel like Marina, ang nakakausap ko siya, parang sabi niya, she should have won. Charing. But I feel like, yeah, for Marina, may isa pang, I think may crown na naka-reserve for Marina.
Alam niyo na next, pagsali ni Marina next, you just know she's gonna win.
Kasi if nanalo na siya agad, parang, hello, hindi ka pa 30, tapos established ka na.
Gagadlan. Was she like 21?
Oo
Diyos
nga.
ko, oh my God.
Anong what's next? Tama yung sinabi ni Keme na she doesn't wanna win pa. Kasi
Yeah, actually.
may naka-reserve. Dapat may crown siya pag 30.
Masa-stop agad yung ano mo,
Yung career.
yung career. You have to like
Yeah.
enjoy your 1 million, girl. Parang ganun. Bilis na mawala ng 1 million sa totoong buhay lang.
Anyways,
Ate, naubos na ata yung ano mo. Cheers!
milk it.
Milk it, milk it.
Makes sense. Yeah. I feel like US. Marina should win US na Feeling ko mananalo siya sa US.
Ang ganda ng credentials ni Marina. Sobrang winner credentials.
Hello, we have 15
15
MB. Thank you guys so much. Bye-bye na po. Bye-bye guys. Bye-bye.
Promote mo muna yung sarili mo, ate, before you leave. Oh my God.
Girl, wala na yung promote. Okay na yan. Bye guys.
Thank you guys. Odipota will restock soon. Go. And we'll have a meet and greet sa June. Subscribe kay Cal. Follow us on our socials, I guess. Because like our socials is our life. Who is
Thank
this
you
dude?
guys. Send nyo na, itodo nyo na yung gifts nyo guys for 10 seconds. Itodo nyo na yung gifts nyo. Ate, please. Please.
Comment about Marina and Angel. About Marina and Angel. About Marina and Angel. About Marina and Angel. About Marina and Angel.